wood factory, a forklift carried a tall stack of wooden boards. The operator lowered the load close to a worker who was busy with his own task. At first it seemed normal, but when the forklift set the boards down, the stack shifted and touched the worker standing nearby. The scene quickly turned dangerous. Other workers rushed to help, but the load was too heavy. One worker tried using a piece of wood as a lever to lift the stack. Their teamwork was quick, but it also showed how unprepared they were for such emergencies. This reminds us that stacked materials must always be secured before moving or lowering them. Workers must stay away from shifting or suspended loads. Forklift drivers must check stability and keep people clear of danger zones. In emergencies, trained methods and proper tools are safer than improvised efforts. With planning, clear signals, and respect for heavy loads, accidents can be prevented. On another site, a worker standing on the ground was surprised when a heavy metal piece fell from above into his work area. The sudden fall turned routine work into a dangerous event. This reminds us why it's important to secure materials at height and use barriers or safety nets. Falling objects are always a risk, so overhead hazards must be controlled to protect workers below. Inside a bakery, workers were doing end-of-shift cleaning. One worker was wiping around a dough mixer, while another, not realizing cleaning was in progress, switched the machine on. The cleaner was caught in the moving mixer, leading to a serious accident. This shows why lockout-tagout is critical, even in food production. Machines must be shut down and locked before cleaning or maintenance. Good communication, clear signs, and proper training can prevent these incidents. A few extra safety steps can keep everyone safe and operations running. On a busy factory floor, a worker tried to walk past a stack of wooden boards that was about to come out of a machine. As he got halfway, the boards were suddenly released with force. The stack pushed forward and trapped the worker. Luckily, the machine operator reacted quickly. He immediately pulled the boards back by reversing the machine, freeing the worker. What could have been a serious accident turned into a close call because of the operator's quick action. This shows why no one should cross in front of running machines or moving loads. Workers must always use proper walkways and wait until machines stop fully before passing. Operators must also stay alert and check that the path is clear before releasing materials. By following safety rules and respecting work zones, accidents can be avoided and both workers and production stay safe.